I'm Sarah.
I'm Leslie.
From BradyPLUS, and we're here at ISSA 2024.
Let's go.
The synergy between our new advanced tooling for automatic scrubbers as well as our superior chemistry combines together to result in less labor needed, less time needed, and superior results on your concrete floors.
We've got wipe all disinfecting wipes, good for people, good for the planet, good for the pocketbook.
People really liked it, really understanding more about battery and why battery can save them money in the long run. So yeah, it's been really interesting and fun to show everybody.
Less waste, less maintenance, and more ways to impress. Less maintenance means you can always see the fill level with our at-a-glance design, and energy on the refill means you never have to worry about or change batteries.
Uh, 95% reduction in unnecessary restroom and dispenser checks, 50% reduction in waste, and 99.5% uptime on dispensers driving guest experience.
These towels are highly compressed and they can help improve efficiencies with logistics and also staff.
These wipes deliver on the performance that you expect from Clorox with excellent cleaning ability while still killing 99.9% of illness-causing germs, including tough-to-kill germs like norovirus.
Are our tailored containers. So these are outdoor refuse containers. This is one of our newest products. It allows you to customize your waste stream to whatever fits your goals.
It has an integrated dispensing mechanism, so it's easy to use, it's safe, and it's also portable.
First off, you can see our new color scheme of Milfisk machines. Has light blue touch points to easily simplify and clarify where the operator would need to interact with the machine. And second off, we have a 7-inch touchscreen here, which provides onboard training, troubleshooting, and a maintenance checklist to really streamline the process and help operators get up to speed faster.